There's so many assumptions that are wrong with toxic and abusive relationships. Like, it's wrong to assume that someone who is a victim is always someone who doesn't have resources and support. I've got a woman that I know who is in a relationship with a man and he is violent towards her. She's been attacked by him multiple times and she owns the house. She owns the company. He works for her. He's younger than her. She has all the power in the relationship. Or if we look at Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, he certainly has more resources, more power than she does. It doesn't mean that he's not the victim. So it's wrong to assume that victims of domestic violence are always those who don't have the resources and support to get out. Sometimes they're just not ready to get out because they're not ready to end the relationship. And the point here is that when people engage in what is termed reactive abuse or lashing out against an abuser, that is what gets them put in jail. That is what gets them with order protections against them. That is what creates family court judges saying that both parents committed acts of domestic violence, and therefore we're not going to distinguish between who's the victim and who's the abuser. I don't know why justifying this as a good thing is helpful to victims. It isn't. It is not helpful to victims to tell them that they should engage in acts of reactive abuse. So